Hey guys, welcome back to Gearworks, and today we're going to be talking about my EDC. Now, my EDC is in a cinch bag, as you can see here, and if you didn't see me with this, then something's wrong, because this goes with me everywhere I go. So I just hang it on my back because it isn't heavy. I haven't had the exact weight, mounted on it, but it's good enough for me. So we'll just start right here. So right here I have two it's a reflective and a carabiner, and it says clearly right here, not for climbing. And obviously this one isn't for climbing either right here. These are both UST, Walmart brands. They get the job done there. Right away here you can see I have a plastic bag. Oops. Plastic bag. I have lots of little towelettes here. And the cool thing about these is you can expand them to be toilet paper, paper towels, napkins, anything you really need them to be. And there's one other cool thing about these, and let me go do something to show you guys right now. Alright, got me a glass of water here. This is almost self-explanatory by now. So we got this right, all expanded out with our fingers. Sorry about that, guys. My sister was curious. Alright, anyways, we got this all expanded, right? So now we'll just take another one. Let it sit for 5 minutes. Or not 5 minutes, 5 seconds. Look at that. Already all expanded. Much easier to unfold it, and these don't tear easily because they are like a fabric, not paper. Excuse my sister in the background yelling. These are like a fabric, not paper. They're very effective. So, dry, wet. Alright, got that all taken care of. And then obviously I have 4 AA batteries in here and extra sharpener. Now getting into the bag itself. Alright, to start off, I have a flathead and Phillips screwdriver. South Dakota Game Parks and Fishery. It's got all the common animals, plants, fish, and insects in South Dakota, which is where I live in South Dakota. Figured that might help in a scenario that might happen. Extra protein, or not protein, just extra calories if I get hungry. Remember, this is urban. Sometimes you don't carry cash on you, so you can't really go anywhere to eat. I have my notebook. I jot down all my notes in here. This is when I first started the channel. This is all my stuff. Please don't copy it and try to log in. That would be very disrespectful of you. These are the newer plans for our channel. Like it, guys, like. We need $475. But got all that. That's my notebook. I jot everything down in there. Got us a nice first aid kit here. And if you want to go see it, I'll leave a link in the description down below, so you guys can go watch the video for that. Got my EDC knife. It's fairly sharp, actually. Fairly sharp. It's not really a... Oh, see? Fairly sharp. Not meant for really cutting paper, but it gets the job done. It's got some can openers and stuff. Or not can openers, just cap lifters. 2 extra sticks of deodorant because you never want to be caught stinky. That's really loud, isn't it? But I'll end the video here in a minute. So that's just my EDC bag, guys, and I hope you enjoyed the video today. And we'll see you next time on Gearworks. Bye-bye.